Now then, today I've got the Roffey N600 white noise sound machine. Let's give it a try. Scroll down to read my review and please press like and subscribe. Now then, the N600 white noise generator from Roffey looks far less industrial than many of the rivals I've tried, but not only does it look better, it has a far greater range of sounds, not just white noise, all sorts of nature and garden sounds, you name it. It looks good, it sounds good. Many of the rivals sound very harsh and sibilant, but not this one, it sounds good. But if you want it louder, you can plug in an external speaker into the back. It also doubles as a night light. It looks good, it sounds good. At just £27, it's not expensive, and for that price, for me, it's a decent buy.